What is going on, folks? Today I got not just one, but two floor lamps from NEEWER. Now, if you don't know about these floor lamps, this is like the modern day floor lamps where it brighten up your setup. If you have like a gaming setup or entertainment setup, it's beautiful in there. Not only that, but it provides such ambient that, well, as you can see, I'm trying to do one right here. But anyway, let's see if these guys will help that space out. But here's the thing, on top of that, I do want to do a little comparison because when you look at this online, which I have, I can't really tell what the difference between them are other than the model number that's on here. So anyway, let's go ahead and bust into this and let's see what is up with these brand new NEEWER floor lamps. All right, let's do it. Okay, so the first one we are going to open is model number NF01. Wish my chair wouldn't spin around so much. Instruction booklet. Power cord. This is you might want to take a look at this. This is a DC adapter to AC right here. So this is like a neon rope light, but what we're going to do is we're going to install it into the metal frame. This is how they pack them all together, by the way, so that it makes it smaller when it's shipping. A really weighted base frame. Feels like it's all metal, by the way. I'm strapped it. Yeah. Base frame. Connection right there. In the back, you got, there's the adapter for power, and then there's a power button right back here, by the way. Then you got your usual stick. We're gonna put that together. It comes with a little screwdriver, all the little parts, and then last but not least, a remote control. All right, so let's go ahead and set this thing all up. All right, so it's put together. I made it actually a lot more difficult than I should have, which I should have read the instruction manual, to be honest with you. Anyway, look how clean this is right here, right? All the way up to the top. That's clean right there, guys. Yeah, so I thought I was supposed to thread this entire white piece in, but no, you just kind of push it in and then you just snap it all the way up. That's it. So put this metal bar together first, and then the lights, you plug it in and then you just snap them all in. Because the rubber is really flexible, it'll go right in. And it looks really, really good right now. Next one is NF04. I'm gonna put this one together now. What's in the box? Looks like the same cord, just packaged differently. Instruction manual. These are black. This base is bigger. Definitely a lot bigger. And it's, yes, it's still weighted. Looks like I'm gonna have to put this together. This is a little different. It has a controller on the cord here, and the power, the DC power goes into here. All the accessories and DC powers are right here. Yeah, so pretty much the same cord. It's just hooked up differently. So I do want to point this out real quick. For this base right here, here's the wire that goes with the neon light. So you gotta kind of thread it through here. Goes up here like this. See that? So I'm gonna go ahead and insert the neon light, and then we're gonna close all of this up. All right, folks, are you ready? I've got this thing set up. It's behind me, and I'm gonna turn it on at the same time for you to see, okay? Check this out. So I try to match the green color, but one of them, green, is not the same as the other green because it's running some yellow light behind it. Anyway, here's the most important thing right here. So as soon as you get this, you got to get the NEEWER Home app, because what it does is that you can control either product on a single device, okay? So I'm gonna I know I'm out of focus, but I'm gonna focus on the actual light out there. So we are gonna go ahead and turn off the NF01 first. Go ahead and turn that off, okay? So just look at the floor. That's kind of how bright it is right now. I want to go ahead and turn this off, and now I'm going to turn on the NF01, and that's how bright the NF01 is. Now I'm going to do it again. NF04, NF01. Again, NF04, NF01. So here's the thing. The NF01 has a little remote that you can actually use to do a lot of things with, but nothing like it is on the app. Now, again, the NF01 or NF04, it doesn't matter which one you buy, the app works fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and do some customization on NF01 first so that you can kind of see it. So right now, the brightness is at 85%. I'm going to pump that up to 100. Did that make a difference? Okay, so anyway, so that's green right there. At 100%, we're gonna go and we're gonna do blue. Now look at my surrounding, okay? That's the more important one because if you look straight at the light, it's just gonna be white. We're gonna do red. Let's do a little like purple. How about orange? Do aqua. Okay, so that's static color right there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. And then we are gonna jump over to NF04 and do the same thing. NF04 is at 91%. I'm gonna go ahead and pump that up to max. And then we are gonna do, so right now it's blue. We're gonna do red. Again, look at the surrounding colors. I can't really tell the difference in my opinion. So let me know if you guys can tell the difference. We're gonna do dark purple. Then we're gonna do orange. How about yellow? Yellow doesn't look like much. You can really tell the difference between these other ones though, like the aqua looks good. When you go full on purple, that looks really good. So yeah, there you have it. That's the NF04 right there. So in terms of brightness, I cannot tell the difference in my opinion. Again, you guys let me know. There's tons of different things on here, by the way. There's scenes and things like that. But yeah, you just got to play it when you get this thing. All right, so let's turn that off. And now let's go back over to NF01. Let's look at some scene on that one. Let's check out the rainbow real quick. So the one thing that I do notice with the naked eye is that you can definitely tell the NF01, the color blends a little bit better. Let's say you really notice when you are using the rainbow patterns on the scene. You can definitely tell the color blends a little bit better than the NF04. So for instance, let's do like a flame here. Yeah, the color blends really, really well. I'm going to jump over and turn on NF04. And then I'm going to do the same thing on NF04 and do the flame as well. The flame is not bad, by the way. On NF04, the blending does look good, but I can definitely tell NF01 has better blending when it comes to that. Maybe it has more LED inside of it. I don't know the technicality, but yeah, NF01, the blending is a bit better. Let's go over to like rainbow for NF04 now. We're gonna go over NF01, which is on this side. Do a rainbow over there so that you can kind of see the difference. I mean, the other thing that you will notice the difference is that the floor right here, you can see that the NF01, the floor shines a little bit brighter because it actually has a little LED right underneath here, just shooting the lights down. So you can definitely see that. All right, folks, there you have it. That's a comparison right there. Obviously, you can see that the NF01 is a little bit taller than the NF04. The main reason is that they had to do a little bit of the base where they gave it that much room for the extra LED that shoots down. But in terms of the length of how much LED that you get up here, they're the same. All right. Anyway, I hope you guys find this one useful. Definitely download the app on this one. If you want full customization, you got to use the app right here, or else you wouldn't even be able to get the static color at all. Not on the NF04 at least. On the NF01, at least you got yourself the remote right here that you can use to change the colors and things like that. But on NF04, you gotta use the app. And I think that's one of the biggest differences between the two right there. The NF01 has the remote, the NF04 does not. Anyway, hopefully you guys find this one useful. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.